credit card statements are usually issued about 3 to 5 days after your due date. And I usually like to tell people about their credit card statement because whatever balance is reporting at that point, that's what you want to make sure you pay on your due date to avoid interest. So usually, like say if you have a Capital One credit card, your credit card is due on the first, then you guys can look for that credit card to report on the 4th. So keep this in mind too. If you guys really want to know the definite answer on when a credit card is going to report, then I want you guys to look on Credit Karma because Credit Karma will tell you the last day that they reported. So most likely if they reported on the 6th last month, they're going to report on the 6th this month also. So keep that in mind because those are easy ways that you can find out when they're going to be generated. Now, if you guys have your online account, usually you guys have like an online account, then you guys can just check on there too to see when your statements normally come out because you can just track if my statements normally came out on the 7th, it's going to come out on the 7th again. So you guys can know when it's generated at that time, and always feel free to call the companies. If you got a credit card company, credit card with a company, then feel free to call them because you guys are getting credit from them. So they need to make sure that they are servicing you and answer any questions. Make sure you don't have any fraud on your account. They're there to service you because all the money that you're paying from not paying off your full statement balance by the due date is going into their pockets, and that's what they use to pay everybody with. So definitely call them if you guys ever have any questions.